Hey butterflies, good morning. How y'all doing? Welcome to another vlog. It's AAJ back again. If you're just seeing it for the first time, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In today's video, y'all are gonna be seeing my morning routine. Yes, my morning shower routine. That is practically what I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be using products from my last Hygiene shopping. Those are the products that I'm gonna be using today, because I did pick me up some new products that I've never tried before, and I want to try them out and see what they look like or what they feel like on the body. One of those products are my dental care kit, which is it has a toothbrush, it has a little tiny mirror to look at your mouth after you're done brushing, you're cleaning your mouth, and it also have a tongue scraper. Yes, and also this hairband that I also grabbed at the mall the last time I went for Hygiene shopping. The hairband doesn't feel tight, it's normal, and plus I love the fact that it's fluffy, so it doesn't give any itches on the forehead. It's just normal. I like to brush my teeth first before doing anything in the morning, and the next thing I do is after brushing I go ahead and scrape my tongue with the tongue scraper, as y'all saw earlier. And also the next thing I do afterwards is I go ahead and put in my mouthwash to fluster. Well, I do fluster with my mouth because why not? If not, when I put in my mouthwash, I like to let it sit for max of 1 minute and minimum of 30 seconds in my mouth, so it's gonna be super clean and nice. And next I go in with my face product, which is my face wash first to wash my face. So I'm gonna cleanse off any dirt from last night, and also I would be able to cleanse off any skincare from last night before I will apply another one this morning. Next I go in with this my random face towel. It's my random because this is like the one I use often, and I want to put a mask on my face. I don't put masks on my face every morning, but then there's some specific morning that I just want to treat myself to that good and nice simple skincare. This mask is an anti-aging face mask, and there's a black color of it and there's also a white color of it, and this is the white color of it. I used to make use of the black one before, but then I got this one and I think I like this one even better than the black one. On next, my lip therapy, which is my pink lip Vaseline or lip balm. I like to put that on while my face mask sits on my face. And these are the products we're going to be using for today's shower. My big shaving stick, my fruit of Focali strawberry shade, and also my gentle care Dove body tablet soap, and also my Nivea cream shower, which I said I'm gonna be using to wash my baby girls down there in my underarms. Moving on next to breakfast, I want to have a pancake, and I'm going to be making everything from scratch. All you need is flour, egg, and some salt and a baking soda. It depends on how you like your pancake to taste, and you're gonna need some water on it too, so you mix everything together. I'm gonna cover it up and place it inside the fridge while I go ahead and take my ginger shot for this morning, because I am currently doing a workout, and I take ginger shot every morning because ginger shot helps to melt those fats inside of you. I go back to the fridge to get the pancake mix, and this is what is given, is smooth, and is looking very nice already. I want to make a spicy pancake, so I did put in some spice. Breakfast is served, and I'm about to go ahead and feast on that. When I'm in the shower, the first thing I like to do is check the warmness or coldness of the water before I start taking my bath. Well, the weather says it's gonna be slightly warm today, but then I'm personally cold. I don't know why, but so I just want to use a warm water for the bath. The next thing I like to do is pour water on my body first before I start layering my products. And first I'm going in with my body scrub, the fruits of wakali, sorry. I'm going in with that in a strawberry shade. The reason why I love strawberry is because it contains water, which helps to hydrate the skin, and also it has vitamin C inside of it. That is the nutritional value, and also helps to fight against aging and wrinkles, and it also clears the skin and lightens up the skin, and also clears acne. So these are the reasons why I love them. And plus, personally, I just love the way it tastes and the way it smells. Well, I go in with the scrub to scrub all my body. I gently scrub my body with my hands because for some reason I really do not like scrubbing my body with my gloves, because I really don't get that smoothness I want to get. So also, don't forget to always scrub your back. If you can't do it, there's a way you're supposed to do it. Maybe in my next video, or I'm gonna be teaching y'all all how to scrub your back. Aside from scrubbing helping you to remove dead skin cells, it also helps to relax your body. This fruit of wakali is just an amazing body scrub. Don't forget to choose a very good scrub for yourself. You know, you want it gentle on your skin, you don't want it too harsh, because it's a means of relaxing. For my body blade, we're using the big shaving stick today. Y'all know I use Darko twin blade before, but I've just tried this big blade once and it was good, so I decided to like pick it up at the mall the last time I went for shopping. And y'all know that in this shower routine, we are using the products we got from our last Hygiene shopping. We're trying them out to see how they are on the skin and how they feels on the skin. Scrubbing and shaving afterwards is super amazing. It helps you to like relax, and also it helps you to know which part of my body is having hair and which part of my body is not having hair again. You know, when you've been scrubbing with maybe your soap or maybe your shaving cream, sometimes you omit a part, maybe because of the way it is, but then you know that scrubs are very smooth and they are thick on the skin, so if you omit a part, it's gonna be really obvious that you omitted a part immediately in the shower. So I'm using my glove sponge to wash my body. Well, I was just like, you know, I want to change the sponge I use, so I decided to go in with my glove sponge today. My Dove bar soap that I'm using, I'm not going to be using a liquid body wash today, a shower gel today. I'm just going to be using my Dove bar soap, which is the Sort and Cure bar soap. Well, it does smell like nothing. Like, I don't know what it smells like. You just put it on your nose and it smells like nothing. So it's for sensitive skin, and if you know you don't like your bath product smelling like anything, you can pick this up at the mall because it literally smells like nothing. And plus it's super gentle on the skin and it's smooth on the skin too, and because it smells like nothing, you just finish showering with that, and when you perceive your skin, your skin does smell like nothing. So if you know you don't like your shower products be smelling too kunky and too heavy, or you don't even want them to have any fragrance at all, you can pick this up at the mall. So next I go in with my shower gel, my Nivea soft cream. Well, I said it in my last Hygiene shopping haul that I was gonna be using this for my underarms and my girlies down there because it smells good, but then the smell is not too strong. It doesn't have like a very kunky and strong fragrance. It's just a minimalistic fragrance inside of it, and plus it's super gentle. And I said we're gonna be trying it, so I will give y'all a feedback on what it feels like on my underarms and in my girlies down there. I like to double cleanse my girlies down there, so I wash it twice, and this is like the last wash for me. I always do the last wash when I'm about to leave the shower. And we're done with the bath. Moving on next to moisturizing, I'm gonna be using the Dove Glowing Cure. I told y'all my last Hygiene shopping haul that I was gonna be a Dove girly, so we're starting this journey. Not that I don't use Dove cream before, but then I want to really pay attention to using her because she feels good right now that I'm using it. I'm beginning to see that she feels super smooth and gentle on my skin. So for the oiling, I'm gonna be using the Palmer Cocoa Butter Formula to give my body extra shine and also to lock in the moisture. It smells like chocolate. Make sure to cream every part of your body properly so that your moisture can really go a long way to glow up your skin and give your skin extra smoothness. Yes. And for my chest, y'all, like I said the last vlog, I said the pimples are gone and we just have the dark spots we're dealing with right now, and I'm sure it's gonna leave because it is actually reduced from the last time I did show you guys too. And y'all, can you see the extra shine this oil does give to my skin and my body? Then moving on to my face, we're gonna take off this mask. Very good. Like, it feels like my face has been under like a plastic bag and it was taken off. Not like artificial plastic bag though, but it's like an anti-aging face mask. So when you put it on, your face kind of sticks together. And next I want to go in with my Dove face wash. This girl has been my go-to face wash for a while now, and also for my face foam that I've been using to wash my face lately. I love that. Like I said in my last vlog, it feels so good because I just literally have to put my 2 fingers or 3 fingers into it and wash my face. I double wash my face because the first wash was for me to cleanse off the residue of the face mask, and the second one is for me to go ahead and shave my face with this my blade that I always use. It's my go-to blade, so it's super simple for me to use. And the last time I shaved my face, I think it's been a month now since I last shaved my face. Oh my goodness, like it's been a month. How crazy is that? Well, I did say the last time I shaved my face that I was gonna like keep it as a regular routine, but I'm sorry, I couldn't keep up. But this time around, I'm gonna try my best as well to keep up. And also my brows, I've not shaped them or I've not carved them for like a month too. Like, what is going on here? What am I doing? What have I been doing? When you're working with your face razor, be gentle on your skin. Do not rush. Just go ahead in a very gentle form. Don't rush, like I said, because if you rush it, I'm sorry, you're gonna be in soup, because you're about to have a mark on your face, and I'm sure nobody wants that. So next, I go in with my smooth face sponge to cleanse my face after washing it for the third time. So, and lastly, I use my towels to dab my face. This is just my face towel. Actually, it's not a towel for anything. It's just my face towel, and it feels so gentle on my skin. And rush of vitamin C. I'm almost out of it, but not to worry, I got another one. And also, this is like my go-to serum for my face. Each time I shave my face, or even if I don't shave my face, I just like it. You know, I like to apply it underneath my eyes first, because I just discovered that, you know, you need your under eyes to have moisture, because it's gonna help you prevent dark under eyes. Except for, like, aside you not sleeping and you having dark under eyes because you didn't sleep, you just need to always put some serum underneath your eyes, so that you're gonna avoid dark under eyes. And I use my fingers to gently massage this into my skin, like I always do. No gua sha, but my fingers are the gua sha. Let me tell you all the secret now. I am low-key afraid of using gua sha on my face, because I don't know, like, you know, the way I see people using it and they use it for their face, nerve-wracking. I don't know if that word is too big to use for it, but then I'm a little bit afraid of face gua sha. And next, I use more Perfect and Radiant Nivea Day Cream. This is for me to lock in the serum into my face, and it also, this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Day Cream also have an anti-oil control. It helps to control an oily skin. Plus, y'all know that I do have like a oily skin, especially my face. My face is super oily, and since I've been using this product, it's been helping me to like reduce the level of the oils on my face, because, you know, I said it's gonna lock in the moisture of that serum. Y'all, can you see my face? My face looking so good. Oh my goodness. It is super soft. Like, girl, you're gonna give yourself some time to do some self-care, because it's very important, and it's so good. It feels so good. You don't have to, every time, you don't have to buy those expensive clothes, expensive jewelries alone. You also have to invest in your skincare. And moving on this, I use my body spray, which is the pomegranate, lemon, and verbena scent, the Dove body spray, because I love this girl. She smells really good. She's been, you know, taking me all around the day with no smell at all on my body. And for my outfit of the day, I'm just putting on this Perenity, which was given to me as a gift. I'm sorry I couldn't unbox this in front of the camera, because I was eager to see what it looks like. So I already unboxed it, and it's in pink. Excuse you. I'm gonna be wearing this my simple earring. Actually, it's a plastic earring, but it does not hurt my ears whenever I wear them. Between my scenes, I'm gonna be using the Body Fantasies that I picked up at the mall the last time. I am feeling so good. The shirt says luxury or nothing. Yeah, it's either luxury or nothing. Skin luxury, body luxury, cloth luxury, bag luxury, and all of that good luxuries. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also share, and click the post notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Until I, AJ, come your way next time, be yourself and live a good life. Don't let nobody talk you out of your dream. Don't let nobody tell you what to do. Just listen to your heart and listen to God. I'ma see y'all butterflies in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Mwah.